Water is awesome. Everyone wants to do their part to save water, but people have questions. One we hear from North Texans is how often and how long should I run my sprinkler system? In this video, we'll show you how to keep your lawn looking good without wasting water. The first thing you need to do is sign up for free weekly watering advice. Watch our companion video on weekly watering advice to find out how. Now that you signed up, you'll receive your Monday message recommending between 0 inches and up to 1 inch for the week. So, how long should you run your system to get that exact amount of water? First, you have to figure out how much water your sprinkler system puts on your lawn. Do this simple test to find out. Get something to measure the water in. Some sprinkler gauges or empty tuna cans are perfect. Use a ruler to mark the line 1/2 inch from the bottom of the can. Place the gauges or cans in different places in the sprinkler zone. Make sure they're flat and level. Turn on your sprinklers and start the timer on your phone. If you have spray nozzles, check them after 10 minutes or so. For rotors or multi-sprays, check them in about 20 minutes. When the water reaches the 1/2 inch mark, turn off the sprinklers and stop the timer. It's a good idea to check your other zones too, because differences in spray heads and water pressure could affect the times. Record the run time and divide it by 2 to get the minutes needed to water 1/4 inch for each zone. Use this as your guide for programming the controller. With our North Texas clay soils, you want to keep your run time short, with a break between each cycle or start time to prevent runoff down the street. Program sprays to run for about 5 to 7 minutes and rotors for 11 to 13 minutes. Then let the water soak into the ground for an hour before running again. The 2 start times should equal the minutes needed to water 1/4 inch. Add more start times at an extra day if your advice recommends more water. Also, many controllers have automatic cycle and soak settings you can easily select. Make sure you set the controller to water no more than 2 days a week. That's all you need, even in the summer. And don't forget, it's as easy as 120 to water the lawn. If your grass only needs 1/2 inch or less, water on 1 day. If it's been hot and dry, use 2 days. And if it's recently rained or it's in the forecast, turn the sprinklers off. Use the free weekly watering advice along with the cycle and soak method to give your yard exactly what it needs. Learn more and sign up today at waterisawesome.com.